This is the video of the tutorial on how to log into Google Form. Google Form means a device that allows users to easily create online form-based surveys and questions or surveys that can be customized by the creator. This device makes it easy to get responses and data from the public or audience to directly fill out the surveys. And then how to log in to the Google Form, especially on your laptop, as this video make. Okay, so firstly, make sure that your internet connection is connected well. And then secondly, open the browser of Google Chrome, or you can also open another browser based on your laptop has. Okay, you can use Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome. Here, on this example, I will open the Google Chrome as my browser and then log in. And after you open the browser of Google and then log in using your Google account, to log in into Google account here. Oh, sorry, I have already logged in into my Google account. So after this, you can see on your screen here on the right side, there is 9 points or 9 dots here as Google applications. So just click on the Google applications and scroll down and select Google Form. Okay, just scroll down on the Google applications here and then select or choose the Google Form. Okay, here the pop one. Okay, so you will find the form. This is called form. It's called formula in Indonesian, but we can click here as the form in English as the Google Form application, and after you click it, you will be automatically taken into the page of docs.google.com/forms. Okay, so you will find many templates that you can select here as blank form or contact information or RSVP or party invitation or it's about, I think it's registrations maybe. Okay, and how to log in or to create a new form on the Google Form. Just choose the blank column or the blank template here. If you can okay, if you can click it, you will go to the page like this. So this is the display of blank template of untitled form searched by Google Form. So you can fill it, the title of the form that you want to create. You can edit it, just click and then type based on your needs. It's the title of the form. Okay, for example, I want to type data student. Okay, so automatically the title will change. And if we want to make some statements or questions, okay, this is the box to write the questions on the Google Form. Okay, name for example, and then you can select here as the rules of Google to answer your questions. So it's about short answer. So if you want to add the questions, click the plus sign here on the right side, and then automatically the question will be added here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to log in into the Google Form. Hopefully this might be useful. See you soon in the next video, and good luck for trying. Bye.